Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a Bead Box Bargains haul. I love the subscription of Bargain Bead Box, but they also have this website called Bead Box Bargains, and they pretty much give you amazing deals, pretty much wholesale. They give you these amazing deals on jewelry, and literally a lot of stuff is like 99 cents. They have from check beads to natural stone beads. So I'm gonna show you guys what I ordered in this haul, and you guys can let me know what you think. So let's start off with these green like round beads. They're check beads, and they look like they have a coating of AB coloring on them. Let me just make sure I'm centered here. But look at how pretty those are. They have this beautiful like AB Aurora Borealis type of coating. So they're beautiful green. And I don't know, some of these strands, I don't know what they're called. Because unfortunately, that's what I don't like. That's the only thing I don't like. They don't label what they send you. So that's kind of the downside. So we're going to call these green round drucks. All right. Put those away. And then I got these really pretty toggle clasps. They're bronze. Look at how pretty those are. Oop. There we go. Look at how pretty these are. I like the bronze. I love them for when I make all the boho jewelry I do. I like to make a lot of boho jewelry. It's really fun, and I don't know, just I love to make that kind of jewelry to go with jeans or casual outfits. And then these are also, these are bronze, antique bronze bead caps, which are super cute. Look at that. So, you know, I love bead caps because they turn any bead or druck into a very fancy looking bead, especially when you use them on like bracelets or earrings, I guess on everything. And then look at this pendant. Is this not just absolutely stunning? I fell in love with this pendant. It looks like it's a lapis. Let me see if that one I do find here. This is a lapis teardrop cut out tree pendant with a faceted gemstone teardrop lapis. Is that not beautiful or what? Look at that. Just so pretty. Such a beautiful pendant. I can't wait to use this on a design, on a necklace. It's just going to be so gorgeous. So that's the lapis one. I think I got in different stones. These are beautiful little bellflowers. Look at these. Aren't they cute? And they go again with my boho jewelry. They're just adorable. You could put a little bead in there, like a little seed bead, or one of those mini gems. They probably look really, really cute on a necklace. So put those in there. And I got these square. Okay, so these are 10 millimeter check table cut glass square beads. So look at how pretty those are. I love this color, the Indigo Picasso. And these are, look at these beautiful green, big, huge round beads. This is a 7-inch strand of 12 millimeter green adventurine round beads. So this is adventurine. Aren't they beautiful? They go with these like peridot green struck beads. These are so pretty. With some accents in between, some of those fancy spacers. Oh my gosh, this necklace would be gorgeous if you like this color of green. So pretty. And then I've got these little, there's another little, those little square dell spacer beads in antique silver. And there they are. Little spacer beads. I like these little like rectangle. You got like little flowers on the sides. They're cute. And then I got these really cute round. Okay, so these are 7 by 5 millimeter fancy lantern spacer beads in antique gold. Really pretty. Alright, and I've got the same ones in, there we go, in the silver, antique silver, and 7 by 5 millimeter fancy lantern spacer beads. I like that they have like what you like, but in different metals, so that's really cool. And then I've got another big leaf. This is the 52 millimeter leaf pendant antique copper. I love these leaves. You can hang, like I said, you can hang things over here in the front, flowers, and they make a really beautiful pendant. flower cutouts. So these are 14 by 16 millimeter lotus cutout charms in antique silver. You get 10 of them. So these are really pretty charms. You can get a ton of charms with them too. Sometimes they can be pretty expensive depending on where you get them from. And here's another cutout tree pendant. And this one is tiger eye. Exactly the same as the others except the stone is a tiger eye. How pretty is that? So pretty. I love tiger eye too. Such a pretty stone. Alright, so I got several of those different stones. Then there's these flowers, and these are jet bronze satin. They're 7 by 5 check pressed glass flower beads, jet bronze satin. Very pretty. I like the jet bronze. Then more charms. What are these? These are tree and moon charms, antique silver. You have 4 pieces of